How to customize Roku TV with theme and screensaver. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you customize Roku TV with theme and screensaver. In order to customize it, you have to navigate to settings and go to theme. So here's how you do it. Press the home button on your Roku remote and scroll down to select settings. As you do it, what next you just want to go ahead and do it under settings, select theme. Once you go ahead and select the theme option, then what you'll need to do is if you want to change the entire theme including wallpaper, screensaver and sound, you simply want to select theme package, browse the available package and select the one that you want to download and set as your new theme package. If you want to change just the wallpaper, then you want to scroll down to wallpaper or screensaver and choose the package and choose the desired wallpaper, and that way you'll be able to do it. And once you've chosen your desired screensaver, select set as screensaver to apply the changes. And with that being said, you could then adjust the screensaver start time by selecting additional settings as well. And if you do not screensaver you like, you could browse the Roku channel store or screensaver store to find the downloaded new ones. So this is how you could do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.